The car tax is a personal property tax assessed on all vehicles garaged in Fairfax County. It is due October 5th each year. However, this year, because the 5th is on a Saturday, we are extending the due date until Monday, October 7th. Our car tax is calculated based on two factors. The first being NADA's assessment as of January 1. The other factor we use is the tax rate. The tax rate for Fairfax County is $4.57 per $100 of the assessed value. And your tax property bill is prorated based on the number of months that it's actually in Fairfax County. Although our bills are due October 5th, the assessment of those vehicles is based on the value from NADA as of January 1 of each year. You can appeal your car tax assessment. There are two reasons that will allow you to appeal it. One is body damage to the vehicle, the other is high mileage. But just because you appeal your tax assessment doesn't guarantee that it will be granted. So you are advised to pay your tax bill by the due date to avoid any late payment penalties or interest charges. The easiest way to pay your car taxes is to pay online. We also offer other convenient and quick ways to pay. You can put a check in the mail. You can come into the office here at the Fairfax County Government Center, and you can also pay through our automated phone pay system.